Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Project title is Healthcare Cyber Physical System assisted by Cloud and Big Data. Our abstract is the advanced of information technology have witnessed great progress on healthcare technologies in various domains nowadays. However, these new technologies have also made healthcare data not only much bigger but also much more difficult to handle and process. Moreover, because the data are created from a variety of devices within a short time span, the characteristics of this data are that they are stored in different formats and created quickly, which can, to a large extent, be regarded as a big data problem. To provide a more convenient service and environment of healthcare, this paper proposes a cipher physical system for patient-centric healthcare applications and services called Health-CPS, built on cloud and big data analytics technologies. This system consists of a data collection layer with an undefined standard, a data management layer for distributed storage, and of this study show that the technologies of cloud and big data can of this study enhance the performance of the healthcare system, and so that humans can they enjoy various smart healthcare applications and services. Now we are going to discuss about our flow diagram. First of all, we have to load our data. Here we have to select our data set for the insert process. Load ECG machine that could be automated to process the patient signal recorded into symbols. Select all the data and show the ID of all patients and ECG machine. Next process is encrypt data. Here the encrypt data and the encrypt count. And next process is send to cloud. In data processing unit, the filtration and load balancer server have the basic responsibilities such as filtration and data and load balancing of processing power. Filtration identifies the useful data for analysis since it only allows useful information, whereas the rest of the data are blocked and or discarded. Hence, it results in enhancing the performance of whole proposed system. And next process is decrypt the data. After send the cloud and cloud server has been retrieved the data from the cloud in the format of encrypted format. After that, apparently the load balancing part of the server provides the facilities of dividing the whole filtered data and parts and assign them to various progressive servers. And next we are going to store our data in Hadoop. Store the encrypted patient's live data into Hadoop. Predict the results using the testing data. Compute the patient status and sending varying alert if any patient is in critical or either emergency contact. Now we are going to run our process. Click home and put run on Hadoop. Give and click finish. Healthcare Cipher Physical System assisted by Cloud and Big Data. This is title of our project. Click start button and next click load data. Here we have to select our data for entire process. Open. Then now we have to show our data. The next process is view our original information, and here we have to encrypt our data. Then the encrypted data is sent to cloud. After that we are going to run our receive.java. Put right click and give us run on Hadoop. Click finish. When I click cloud and receive, after that I send to cloud, file is transferred to cloud. Okay. After that this cloud server receive the file and show that the encrypted file. Finally the file will be decrypted successfully. Now we have to get our encrypted data. The next process is now we are going to Hadoop storage. Finally we have to store our data into Hadoop. Hadoop is one of the storage system which can be used to store our data securely. Here large amount of data will be stored about the patient information. Here we have to say a file decrypted successfully. Okay, next process is computation. Here we have to view our overall patient data. After that, computed successfully. Then show our individual patient data. And third one is network resources. Here we have to send status about the patient. Find the critical station. The patient 3, 4, 5, 13 and 14 is are in critical condition. So we have to send our report to the doctor. So find our report. Patient 3 status to Peter and patient 4 status to John. So send. Okay, send status sent successfully. Then if register emergency content, if anyone can come and see the status, means they have to register first. John, select family, enter, then we give our report if the status of the patient, if it is critical or normal. Now demo is completed. Thank you for watching.